Hi everybody, this is a tour of the Flipped Learning Training Group. First of all, to create a group, you have to have an Edmodo account. When you access your Edmodo account, you can go to the left-hand side, at the bottom of the left-hand side, and from there you can click on the button here to create a group. There in the group, you can put the group's name, which in this case was Flipped Learning Group. And here you write a short description of the group. Like this group is aimed for teacher coaches to train them in flipped learning. Something similar to this. Here you choose the grade. Practically it's a range. Subject area, the color of the header of the group, and in here you will decide whether you want your group to be public or to district staff, school staff, or to all teachers. In my case, I have chosen public school staff, and then you will hit the create button. When you create the group, you will be given a group code. This will be needed. You have to put it down somewhere so that you will share it with your teacher coaches, which in this case, they are your students, so that when they access Edmodo, they will join the group using this code. When you are ready here, you will get the group on the left-hand side under the title groups. As you can see here, you have posts. If you post here, all the members of the group will see this post. So here is a perfect place for discussion and communication, and perhaps a place for collaborating for group work. Here you have folders. Here again, you will add folders like I have added here. And these folders will be accessible for all the members. And here you have the member's name. In this case, I have put only 2 members. So that's just the basic of the course. Now, you have to add a space for every session or for every week you will be running this course. In my case, I have created 4 subgroups, and this one I have created it so that the teachers will read this before the course starts. And then here for week 1, week 2, and week 3. In my case, for before the course, please read. Here, I haven't put any messages here until now, but I aim to put my profile, information about me, and I would like all the teachers to put their information here so that everybody will see it and they can connect each other. I will also put a couple of folders there so that they will read before the course starts. Here, in here, you will post assignments. You will give the title assignment. Here, you will load your assignment, and then you will get a button so that the teachers will put it here. In here, you put the due date for the course, and so that anybody who will put in his assignment after the due date, the course will not accept it. In here, we create quizzes, create a quiz. You have all these types of questions. You have multiple choice, true or false, short answer, fill in the blanks, and matching. Edmodo will correct these automatically, except for the short answer, because those are all different and cannot do them. In here, please, when you are creating a quiz, specify what quiz, like something like this, an untitled quiz, with the date and the time, it isn't helpful at all. So perhaps I will create a quiz about the theory of flipped learning. Quiz. Okay. This will help so that when it is saved, it will be searchable as well. Because if you give a generic name, then it will not help at all. And then when the quiz is ready, it will be loaded here. You will click done. I'm going back. And here you get a poll. You can create again a poll, a question. You can add more options instead of answer 1, answer 2, answer 3, and 4 perhaps, and send. And here we continued with the discussions. Strictly speaking, this is the basics of the course space. Thank you for watching. See you soon.